Welcome to the fourth video of the SHARE PointClouds Studio tutorial. In the last video, we introduced the CAD drafting function of the software. In this video, we will focus on the 3D Gaussian Splatting feature and show you a more advanced way to process data. Before using the 3D Gaussian Splatting feature, you need to log in to your account first. At the same time, the imported data must meet the requirement that the photo interval is half seconds to ensure sufficient feature extraction quality. In the parameter setting, please enable both point cloud colorization and the distorted image output. If the data does not meet the requirements, the system will display the reason. Then you can adjust the setting accordingly before processing the data again. Enable the 3D Gaussian Splatting feature and set the processing parameters. For the scene type, select indoor or outdoor according to the actual scanning environment. Processing preference. Choose speed, balanced, or quality based on your needs. Higher setting can improve the model result, but they also require better computer performance. In most cases, balance is recommended. The iteration count can be kept at the default setting. A higher iteration count will increase the processing time. In the environment section, you can view the CPU and GPU information. After confirming the parameters, click Process. You can check the progress in task management. When processing is complete, you can view the generated 3D Gaussian modeling. This is the full workflow for the 3D Gaussian Splatting feature in this video. We will continue to share more advanced features and practical tips to help you process and apply your data more efficiently. Thanks for watching.